Hello friends, let's discuss one more trick. So if you look at my screen right now, we have deployed applications. So if you deploy the application in CloudHub 2.0, it clearly shows that it's deployed under your private space. Okay, so you can select deployment model and it will clearly show you that this application is deployed under this particular private space. But this is not true with your CloudHub 1.0. You cannot say by looking at this list, you cannot say that this application is deployed under this VPC and this application is deployed under this VPC. Now, how to make sure that my application is deployed under right VPC? Okay, so let's do step by step. Okay, so if you go to the settings of your API, which is deployed, it will tell you one thing, which is okay, so this is deployed under Ohio US-E2. So you can make sure that, okay, so if your VPC region is matching with this or not, okay? So this is not enough, okay? So you can copy this URL. What you can do is when you create a VPC, that time you provide the IP range, private IP range. And now you need to decide whether somehow can I link my API with that private IP range. So what you can do is you can take this IP, this URL is actually belongs to shared load balancer. Okay, so I don't want this. I want the URL of my Mule worker where this application is actually running. Okay, so if you wanted to see how to build that Mule worker, how to reach till the Mule worker, I have uploaded one video. You can go ahead and look at that. So I'll recommend everyone to please look at that video, and then you'll understand how to build the Mule worker and how many workers, how many URLs will be getting it for one application and how to get the IP address. Okay. So quickly I'll take this URL and I'll build the Mule worker internal URL. Okay. And this Mule worker internal URL will give us the internal IP. And if that IP is within the range of the private IPs of that VPC, then clearly you can say that this application is deployed under that VPC. So what you can do is you can go ahead and you can say ns lookup. This is the command line prompt, and you can just paste this internal Mule worker URL and you'll be able to find the private IP address. So this application is right now deployed on only one worker. So you're able to see this is the private IP. And if this IP comes from your VPC IP range, then clearly you can say that this is deployed in a right VPC. This is the trick I wanted to show because it's not available on Anypoint platform. Nowhere you can see this. Okay. So if you like it, share with your friends. If you not yet subscribe to the channel, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.